Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be dyeing my hair ginger blonde. A quick disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I've got two box dye from Cream of Nature, honey blonde and lightest golden brown, and I'm going to be mixing the two to get that ginger blonde look. Okay, so I'm just showing you all of the things that come inside the pack. It comes with a cream developer, the color, and then a conditioner. The lightest gold blonde does come with some high lift boost, yeah, that's what it's called. And then the two packs come with gloves that are stuck to the instruction. Now I've dyed my hair before, so there's no need to like read through. What I'm doing now is just pouring the cream developers into a cup. I'm going to be pouring the two cream developers in a cup. I'm going to pour the two colors in a cup as well, the two liquid colors thingy, and then I'm going to add the high lift boost as well, and then mix that all up, and I will start dyeing my hair. Okay, so I did part my hair into 8 sections just so that it's easier for me to apply the dye a lot better and then get it all over my hair. Before you start dyeing your hair, I'd advise that you wear a t-shirt that you do not really care about, because you will probably drop some dye on your t-shirt and you do not want to get it all stained and be so sad about it later on. Okay, so I'm going to work my way from the back of my hair to the front. I should have left the front, I should have done the front last, mainly because my hair in the front is a lot softer than the back. I think I have like different hair textures all around my hair, and the front did process a lot faster than the back, so that was a mistake I made, but it still turned out well anyways. You also want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled before you start this application, because you're going to have to comb through your hair to get the dye evenly distributed, and you don't want to start detangling your hair while while you've got dye in it. It's just going to be a horrible mess. And then also you'll probably have some places with more dye than the other. When I'm done applying the dye on my entire hair, I'm going to cover it up with a plastic bag so that the heat can help it to work a lot faster and better. And yeah, so right all through the rest of the video, I was literally just chit-chatting with my sister and laughing. And then I will come back to you guys towards the end of the video when I'm done with the whole application, and when I'm ready to wash my hair, or probably after I wash my hair. I also forgot to mention to you guys that you're going to need hair clips to hold your hair up so that you don't have your hair flying around the place, or swinging around the place. My hair did that in some part of this video, and then I did get some dye into my eye. Yeah, it didn't hurt at first. It hurt like, I think like 30 minutes later. Yeah, that was when it started hurting. But yeah, do get some clips to hold your hair up so that you don't get like your hair rubbing around your neck, or like on your face. My hair's been processing for about 25 minutes. I'm going to take off the nylon and then I'm checking for any place that I missed. And then I'm also going to wash off the dye and condition, and then I'll be back. I'm done washing and this is the final result, and I'm super happy with it. Thank you for watching, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay safe and bye.